The world sees Brunei Darussalam as the kingdom of unexpected treasures. 72% of its area still remains covered in forests, yet Brunei is no longer a carbon sink country as of 2020, we're now a CO2 emission country. We can see the results of climate change. If we don't take immediate necessary actions, it will have dire consequences. As sea level rises, it erodes beaches and causes flooding of marshes, wetlands and mangroves, which eventually lead to loss of land masses. This will be devastating for coastal settlements such as Kampong Ayer. An increasing global temperature would lead to frequent forest fires and stronger heat waves, and indirectly causing heavy rainfall, followed by landslides and floods that are catastrophic for nearby residents. The acceleration of global warming can be attributed to uncontrollable, excessive human activities. As an individual, what can you do to help? BNCCP has set up a strategy of planting 500,000 trees by the year 2035 to be climate resilient and a carbon sinking country again. Even so, how will we implement this strategy as a nation? With the development of Atmosphiere, the app allows any individual the opportunity to easily plant and contribute with just the tip of the fingers. Atmosphere is a digital platform for tracking carbon emission and access to tree planting for the community to contribute to afforestation and reforestation within Brunei Darussalam. With Atmosphere, you can calculate your carbon emission, purchase and planting trees, tree fund facts, view your ranking and statistic, and many more. Download now.